Guys, welcome. Today I am going to show you something that scares so many students. Linear equation. One variable linear equations. Sounds scary, right? End of this video, you are able to solve these kind of questions literally in 30 seconds. So let's go. So first question is, what even is a linear equation in one variable? Simple. It is an equation with only one unknown variable. Usually, this unknown variable is x, and that x has power 1. No x square, no cube. For example, we have 2x plus 5 is equal to 15. Here we have one variable with the power of 1. So before solve this question, we have a golden rule. So this golden rule is, whatever you do on one side, you must do to the other side. It means add something on the left, add it on the right too. Divide the left, divide the right too. Think of it like a weighting scale. If it balanced and you add weight on one side, and you have to add the same weight on the other side, otherwise it tips over. That's literally all algebra is, a balance game. Okay, so now let's solve real examples. We have 2x plus 5 is equal to 15. We want x alone on one side. Right now, 5 is sitting there with the 2x, so let's remove it. So first of all, we write down this equation. We have 2x plus 5 is equal to 15. So we want to remove this 5. To remove this 5, we subtract 5 from both sides. So we subtract 5 from both sides. So this 5 is cancelled out with this 5. So we have 2x is equal to 15 minus 5. So 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. Now we want to remove this 2 from this 2x. So to remove it, we divide both sides on 2. Okay, so we divide 10 by 2 as well. So this 2 is cancelled out with this 2, and so on this side we have x, and when we divide 10 on 2, we will get 5. Like 2 times 1 is equal to 2, 2 times 5 is equal to 10. So it is basically equal to 5 over 1. So 5 over 1 we have equal to 5. So now we can check it, our answer is correct or not. So to check it, we put this value of x in the equation. So we have 2, we put 5 in the place of x, plus 5 is equal to 15. So 5 times 2 is equal to 10, plus 5 is equal to 15. So 15 is equal to 15. So now our left hand side is equal to right hand side. So it means that our answer is correct. Our next example is 3x plus 4 is equal to x plus 10. So this one looks scared because x is on both sides. Don't panic. Same rule applies. Step 1, get all x terms on one side. Let's move x from the right side to the left side. So for this, we subtract x from both sides. So first of all, we write down this equation. So we have 3x plus 4 is equal to x plus 10. So now we subtract x from both sides. subtract x from both sides. So we have this x, positive x cancelled out with the negative x, and here we have like uh, 3x, so 3x minus this 1x, so we have 2x plus 4 remains same. Okay, so on this side we have 10. So now we want to remove this 4. To remove this 4, we subtract both sides. We subtract 4 both sides. So we have 2x plus 4 is equal to 10. So we subtract 4 from the both sides. So then this 4, positive 4 cancel with the negative 4. So we have 2x is equal to 6. Okay, now we want to remove this 2. To remove this 2, we divide both sides on 2. So we have 2 cancelled out with this 2. So x is equal to 3. So now to check it out, we put 3 in the place of x in this equation. So like we have 3 into we put 3 in the place of x, so plus 4 is equal to 3 plus 10. So 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. So 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. So it means that our left hand side is equal to right hand side. So it means that our answer is correct. Now we take another example with the fractions. So our equation is x over 3 plus 2 is equal to 7. So first of all, we needs to remove this 2 from both sides. To remove this 2, we subtract 2 from both sides. Okay. First of all, we write down the equation 2 minus 2, and we sub minus 2 from the other side as well. So this 2 cancelled out with this 2. So we have x over 3 is equal to 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Okay, so now to remove this 3, we multiply both sides by 3. Okay, we multiply both sides by 3. So this 3 cancelled out with this 3. So we have x is equal to 5 times 3 is equal to 15. So now let's check it out. So to check this answer, we put 15 in the place of the x in this equation. So we have, we put 15 in the place of x. So 15 over 3 plus 2 is equal to 7. So we have 15 plus 3 times 2 is equal to 6 over 3. On the other side, 7 remains same. So 15 plus 6 is equal to 21 over 3 is equal to 7. So 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. So it is equal to 7. So it means that our left hand side is equal to right hand side. So it means that our answer is correct. If this helped you to understand linear equations, smash the like button. Seriously, it helps this channel grow. Comment down below with an equation you are stuck on, and I shall solve it in the next video. Subscribe to this channel and hit the bell, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye guys.